hi to the donkey.
They're on the fence, Ken. They won't hurt you.
He's curious now. Say hi, donkey. My name is. He's gonna do it again. He's gonna do it again. Sira talaga to si Chino. Chino, last try, Chino. Chino, go try again.
That guy will get stuck.
Try it again. Don't wave, though.